Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala ali Sayyidina Muhammad wa barik wasallam. Welcome to spoken English class. In this class, we are going to learn a lesson. Let's start. Ibrahim's faith. When the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam was a young boy, he used to think a lot. He wanted to know who made the world. He thought, the Lord of the world made the world. Let me find this Lord. He will be my Lord also. Allah loved the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam very much. He was his best friend. He wanted the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam to know everything properly. So he taught Ibrahim alayhis salam many things. It was a dark night. The sky was dark. In the darkness, Allah showed the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam a star. In the sky, it twinkled with a bright light. When the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam saw the star, he shouted with joy, "The star is so beautiful. This is my Lord." After some time, the star went away. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam thought, "This star is not my Lord. My Lord can never go away like this." Then the beautiful moon appeared in the sky. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam shouted, "It is so beautiful. The moon must be my Lord." The morning light came and the moon went away. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam said, "The moon is not my Lord. My Lord can never go away like this." In the morning, the sun came out. It was shining beautifully. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam shouted, "See, it is so beautiful. It is bigger. It must be my Lord." In the evening, the sun too went away. The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam said, "The sun is not my Lord. My Lord can never go away like this." The Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam looked around. He looked at the trees. He looked at the flowers. He looked at the clouds. Suddenly something happened. A new thought came to the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam, and he realized that Allah is the Lord of everything. He made the world. He made the sky. He made the sun and the moon and the stars. So the Prophet Ibrahim alayhis salam said, "Allah is my Lord." Allah guided Ibrahim alayhis salam. Allah showed Ibrahim alayhis salam who was the true Lord of the world. Allah Himself is the Lord of the world. He is our Lord. He takes care of us. He never goes away and never leaves us alone. Thank you very much.